Chaya Sharma. Friends, as you already know about coronavirus and corona lockdown, and you also know about online studies during this lockdown. So friends, today I am here for giving you some knowledge about mathematics of class 10. So friends, let us begin with first chapter, that is real numbers. Real number is the chapter which is including in the unit of number system. So firstly, we are talking about the two most important topics of this chapter are Euclid division algorithm and FTA theorem, that is fundamental theorem of arithmetics. So friends, our first topic is Euclid division algorithm. This algorithm is well known to all of us, but the main algorithm is A is equal to BQ plus R. As we read division in previous classes, A is here dividend, B is divisor, Q is quotient and R is remainder. So friends, this algorithm is mainly used for finding the SCF. So continue our process by taking two digits. First is 455 and second is 42. This is A digit and this is B digit. These two digits are useful for our this process. So I am continuing this process. A is always the dividend, so we are putting here A equals to BQ plus R. A is dividend, so we are putting here as A. B, we have to take B as 42, it is divisor. When we will divide 455 by 42, then the quotient will 10 and the remainder will 35. So friends, always continue this process by taking divisor as dividend and remainder as divisor. So I am doing this problem here. See, I am putting remainder as divisor and divisor as dividend. This process we have to do until our remainder is 0. See, remainder is 0 here and our SCF is our divisor. So our SCF is 7. This algorithm is too simple to understand. Now our next topic is FTA theorem. This is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic and it is derived by the great mathematician, that is C.F. Gauss. This algorithm is used for doing the problems which are related to LCM and SCF, and it is mainly used for the verification of LCM and SCF. As we read in previous classes about LCM and SCF, we have to find the LCM and SCF by the prime factorization method. First we are taking here two digits, 12 and 4. We are doing LCM here by prime factorization method. See, we have did it. And LCM is 4. LCM is 12 and SCF is 4 here. So in this theorem, now we need this theorem. LCM into SCF is equals to product of two number. Here our two number is A is 12 and B is 4. So we have to write here our LCM is 12 and our SCF is 4. And our two digits are 12 and 4. By multiplying these digits, we got 48 is equal to 48. LHS equals to RHS. This is the topic which is used for finding our LCM and SCF is correct or not. So my topic is closed. Please tell me in comment box that you are understanding this topic or not. Comment me your doubts also and share this video to your friends that they can easily understand this topic. So friends, like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel and comment your doubts. Thank you.